Hello, everyone. Thank you for making it today to Deutsche Bank. Thank you, Vijay, for the introduction. And of course, thank you to the rest of the Deutsche Bank team for hosting us today. Straylight is a New York-based team, actually just having started in November. To that point about us being a very, very young team. We just formally got started in November. We come from government, including a former Federal Reserve regulator, as well as banking and fintech, working especially in machine learning and artificial intelligence. If you remember one thing from this entire presentation, let it be this. Integrate, then automate, in that order. What we do is we provide an AI-first, outcome-driven platform that allows for intelligent integration and discovery of data. And then from that, we enable downstream intelligent process automation, including automated reporting, automated data quality checks, and other types of use cases across compliance, KYC, and customer analytics. The problem as we see it essentially goes like this. Poor data access, as in siloed, fragmented data, is wasting thousands of hours and millions of dollars every year. The way that this typically plays out is that data is spread across many different systems, often with something as simple as a first name being represented in a dozen different ways. And so any consumer of these data sources who might want to use it for analysis, for automation, typically they end up bugging some poor data engineer who then writes perhaps some code to transform the data, to normalize it, and so on. But that code then is brittle and will almost certainly break as soon as the underlying data changes. Furthermore, this entire problem blocks effective use of advanced machine learning and intelligent process automation. Our solution is literally to have an AI system automate as many of those data engineer tasks as possible, including generating the interim code to load and transform data to the correct formats and structure, as well as real-time validation and labeling and classification. What this does is it immediately frees up months of time and saves millions of dollars, while also unblocking that roadblock that kept you from getting to machine learning and intelligent process automation. From that, we can effectively automate a wide variety of downstream tasks, including regulatory reporting, customer analytics, and service all of that behind a single virtual API. So how does all this work? In a nutshell, a user simply says what they want the output to be. They provide a schema or a spec in a simple, natural language-driven framework, and then our system extracts and analyzes that and produces the artifacts and automations that they're looking for. If you keep in mind one thing, let it be integrate, then automate. I hope you come see us at our booth. Thank you.